This is where it's supposed to go on normal Lincolns, but on this specific Lincoln, it's actually down here, and they leave you a little bay in between here where you can pull it out, and you have to push it in and give it a little bit of a bend while you're pushing it and working it in there. And that's how it sits in the back right there. And in this case, this is the top, and it's got those two members that thread in behind the plastic and up to the pin, and then it clips in like that, and it's got one T15 screw down here that secures the cabin air filter into the bottom. And that's where the cabin air filter is on these specific Lincolns. All right, that's where the cabin air filter is on this Lincoln. Okay.